Good evening guys, good day. Open naman tayo ng mga in-order natin sa Shopee. Unboxing tayo. Ito ay galing kay Mr. Shoewise. Wig to. Titingnan natin kung maganda ang quality ng wig. Nabili ko sa halagang 426 kasama na ang shipping fee. See? Okay ba? Ayan, tignan natin kung maganda. At mamaya magme-makeup tayo kung bagay yung wig sa aking mukha. Ay, kung promising. Kung maganda siya. Ay, ang ganda siya. Norby, tignan mo. Ang ganda, diba? Wig yan. Uy, ganda-ganda niya. In fairness, makapal siya. And then, meron siyang net para hindi maganda naman po sa halagang 426. Mura na po siya. Ayan, meron siyang net sa loob. And then, ayan. So, mamaya natin itatry yan. At may kulat-kulat na siya. Kanis maganda siya. Tatry natin yan pag naka-makeup na ako. Subukan natin. Kaya hindi. Wait. Tingnan lang natin kung paraan ng pag-try. Okay. Oh, Narvin, mukha siyang buhok talaga, Narvin, oh. Narvin. Di ba? Maganda po siya. Mamaya mag-makeup tayo. Maganda talaga. Uy, ang ganda siya. Order pa ako ng marami. Iba-iba. Para okay. Okay, that's it for now. Mamaya, kukontinue natin to kapag naka-makeup naman ako. Pero in fairness, maganda siya. Ay, ganda-ganda. Long hair na ako. Long hair na ako. Long hair na ako. Long hair na ako. Oo, long hair na ako. Uy, maganda siya. Ayan lang muna masasabi ko. Mamaya, kukontinue natin to. Kapag may makeup na. Right. Promising. Okay. Yan. Natry na po natin ngayon. Yan, naka-wig na po ako. Maganda po siya sa paningin ko. Okay? So, yan. Enjoy. Para mo ko. Girl na ako. Girl na ako. Girl na ako. Pag-secret lang po mga kaibigan. At sana po mag-enjoy po kayo at libre po kayo nito. Highly recommended. So, medyo mabilisan lang yung makeup natin kaya pucho-pucho makeup lang siya. So, mag-enjoy po kayo. Kasi Marimar. Uy, lanti-lanti ko naman. Ganda-ganda po niya. Enjoy po kayo, ha? Order po kayo. Okay? Kisas na po tayo ng konti.
Word travels fast amongst the damned, it seems. For the record, I did not inform him His Excellency had an inkling.
Baka nga lipstick eh.
Humbled us with the Give me one good reason why I didn't excommunicate the
And
earlier today, I received the results of your wife.
ito, kinuha ko rin yan sa Lazada. Okay?
Congratulations, Father Blackwood. Constance is expecting twins.
Twins?
Yes, it's good news. However, it may be a difficult pregnancy. Not to worry, though. I'll be tending to her every need, unless, of course, you feel I or any members of my family are unworthy in some way. What's the matter, love?
Nothing. Just my melancholia.
What happened now?
Nothing. Nothing's happened,
Kailangan
which is the problem.
natin.
You, Auntie Z, Sabrina, you three performed an exorcism. Meantime, I was sat here trapped doing jack all. While I was with Father Blackwood, I asked him about commuting my sentence. He did not give me help.
Perhaps you could try calling that nice, handsome young lad you dated. Luke, something like
Luke Chalfont.
Anyway,
I have called him. Repeatedly.
so,
He hasn't called me back.
hindi pa tayo ng mas maraming iba-ibang klaseng wig, no? Try natin naman sa atin yung straight at yung ombre sa buhok. Tingin ko, bagay naman kahit ano. Sana.
Yeah, of course, just come when you can and we'll be here.
Thank you po. Enjoy po tayo. Bye!
Wait, what happened?
Ay, meron naman ako.
Jesse passed.